Hello, it's Charlene with Sweet Pieces by Me. Thanks for joining me. I just wanted to show you one of our upcoming kits for National Scrapbooking Weekend, which is May 6th and 7th. Close to my heart is going to do some workshops live. There are 5 projects that they're going to do live, and this is one of them. So this one is called A Toast to You, and this kit is CC3225, and I'm going to show you what this is. This makes 16 cards. It is $36.95, and there are 4 other projects that they're going to do as well. And if you buy all 5 projects, you get a 30% discount. I think it's like $154.95. So, but you want to go on and order soon, because you've only got 2 weeks before the Facebook Live weekend. And I'm going to do this one live when they come. They're going to come out with a schedule right beforehand, so you'll kind of know what time what kit is. And you want to have everything pre-cut and ready to go. This kit does come with 16 envelopes and 16 card bases. Here they are. They are pre-cut and already scored for you to make putting it together super simple. And here's the cute stamp set. I'm absolutely in love with this. My favorite, I hope Churro K, and there's a little churro guy. He's so cute. And they've all got these cute little faces. There's toast for A Toast to You. You mean the world to me. Here's a little world. There's a bowl of pho or miso kind of soup, because we've got 2 sayings here: love you forever and you make me so happy. And here's the pizza one: every pizza me loves every pizza you. So some super cute sayings, and these stamps are adorable. And it comes with a loose sequins package here, gold and some are iridescent. There's little stars and little round sequins. These are great for shaker cards too, so you'll use these on the cards. It comes with this beautiful and cute design paper, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sheets of the design paper, double-sided. So you've got like this rainbow journal one with a star zip strip, a light pink with some stars. This is the Smarty Pants collection. Here, and this is kind of teacher school themed, so I love that this has some teacher stuff in here. End of the school year's coming up, so this will be great for cards to go in your teacher gift, or just a card for your teacher saying, you know, thank you for your kid's teacher. Here's some crayons on this zip strip. And then this is like science, and there's rocket ships. It says explore, discover, imagine. Really cute. Little zip strip there with a rainbow. This is kind of like that composition journal background, which would be really cute for the cover of a chipboard album. I was thinking about that, making something like that. Paper airplanes, little alphabet zip strip. Here's some, again, journaling type notebook paper style. Here's some cork board. This would be really cute to cut little pieces of paper to make it look like sticky notes, and either make them sticky notes or just glue the paper on, and just you can have them random and stuff. That would be really cute for journaling. And then with like your centerpiece photo, maybe like 10 things I love about you, and then just put like little, you know, the colored cardstock would look like sticky notes. That would be really cute. I may do that. So if you love this paper, you can always, I think it's still available by itself. It's called Smarty Pants. And here's some galaxy type paper. Here's a kind of just random letters, but it's also kind of a word search. There's some hidden words in here. There's student. I found school. There's books and teachers on here somewhere. I kept seeing that. Now here's library. Every time I look at it, there's like more words, but that would be cute and fun to do something like that. Circle the words. Here's some cute shoe paper. Some looks like Converse type shoes or Vans. That's really cute. And then it comes with the white daisy, I believe this is nectarine, I think, or it's lemon. No, it's, well, maybe a lemonade. It's not quite orange enough. It's hard to tell. And the green apple, candy apple. All right, so that is the kit. I hope you can join us May 6th and 7th, Facebook Live. I will be following along, making these 16 cards. And then right now, if you're gonna go on and buy a kit or two for the Facebook Live, might I suggest if you spend $50, you do get the opportunity to buy the stamp of the month, which April is gonna end very soon, but you still have a chance to get this. If you spend $50, it's $5. If you're a VIP and you spend $50, it's free. So really cute sayings on here that you can stamp inside the bottle. So grateful for the journey that led me to you. Every adventure has a story. Believe in yourself. Thank you. I love you. Make every day count. So these are really cute. They have a really cute scrapbook page on the website using this stamp set. All right, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye, guys.